Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to mute and unmute someone on Instagram. There are 3 ways you can mute and unmute on Instagram. If you'd like to learn all of the ways, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. First, let me show you how to mute or unmute someone through messages. Tap open Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. From your home screen, tap on a direct message icon at the top right corner. You'll end up in a conversation list. Tap on the chat with the person you want to mute or unmute. Now, tap on the person's name at the top of your chat. At the top of the screen where it says mute messages, simply enable the button. Now, tap on the next button where it says mute call notifications as well, and you'll be able to mute messages and call notifications from a certain someone. If you'd like to unmute them back, you can simply come back to this page and tap on the same button that you previously enabled. Make sure both the buttons are turned off while you unmute someone. Now, if you'd like to unmute or mute someone through their profile, tap on the search button at the bottom of the screen. In the search box, type in a person's username and go into their profile. Once you reach their profile, tap on following below their profile info. Now, from the pop-up, tap on mute option. Here, you can either mute post notifications from the person, and you can also mute their stories as well. If you'd like to unmute the person's stories or posts, you can simply disable the button and go back. Now, similarly, if you want to mute or unmute someone's account through the feed, you can tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner right next to their post. From the expanded menu, tap on mute at the bottom. And now, in the pop-up, if you'd like to mute posts, then you can tap on mute post option. But if you'd like to mute posts and stories both, then you can tap on the second option. Once you've done that, the post will now disappear from your news feed. If you'd like to unmute the account, go to the search button at the bottom of the screen and in the search box type in the username of the account. Once you end up in their profile, tap on the following button and now go to the mute option. Disable any button if it's turned on, and there you have unmuted someone's Instagram through Instagram feed as well. That was how you can easily mute and unmute someone on Instagram and its different ways. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.